So I wanted a chance, I actually had a chance to attend the Polk County Builders Association Parade of Homes, and this is what a $2 million home looks like. This home is located in Lakeland, Florida. Beautiful home, just so many neat features to this home. This is the entryway, and as you walk in, there were a lot of people, so I couldn't do a lot of video in the home. This is the main living area. I love that fireplace. I'll have another picture of that later. And this is a view out front of the home, so you can kind of see, what the view is out of the front of the home from the dining room. This is another view of the living room, the big fireplace. Just an open concept to the nth degree. This is the master bedroom, and then you go through that master closet. You're going to see some pictures here of the master bathroom, and then there's a little hidden room. There's a door, and you walk through this hidden door. It looks like a wall, and there's a secret little retreat, a little reading nook, massage chair, just a little place to hang out in the front of the home. This is part of that reading nook here. You're going to see another, this is part of that reading nook as well. And there you go, one of my fellow realtors hanging out in the chair. Another view of that reading nook. So it's under the stairs, but it's well hidden. And this is another view of the master bathroom. Lots of upgrades, top-end finishes throughout this home. This is another one of those hidden doors into that hidden room, so you can kind of see what that looks like.
Cool hidden room.
A lot of fun to see this house. Again, the master bathroom. I've got a little video here of one of my fellow realtors getting in the bathtub. So just a fun home to take a look at. I got a chance to meet the builder. Seems to be a great home.
Up the stairs.
I'm going to go upstairs now and take a look at this loft area. You've got a little wine bar up here. You'll see this in a minute. At first, here's a view out of the front of the house. And there's your wine bar. Oop. Another nice little seating area. Just sit and relax, have your glass of wine. A little gaming area as well. Just so many top-end features in this home to really enjoy. It really felt like a special place walking in here to one of the bedrooms upstairs. Nice sized bedrooms, nice sized closets, custom shelving, not that wire rack shelving that you see in so many homes. Again, a view out in front of the house. This is Delphi Hills, this community. All these homes are built by this builder. Got a chance to see $1.5 million home as well. Looking down in the living room from upstairs. Another bedroom there. The bedrooms were decent sizes. The bedrooms I wouldn't say are anything special, but really, the highlight of this home is the main common areas, the pool, and the little hidden doorways. One of the bedrooms leads to a bathroom, and then the other side of the bathroom and the closet actually is another hidden door. So that was another fun little feature. You'll see that here coming up in the video. So yeah, this home is going to be listed here shortly for about $2 million. It just gives you an idea of what, excuse me, what $2 million can buy you in Lakeland, Polk County. Not a lot of homes for that price in this area, but just an opportunity for you to see what it looks like for those of us in Polk County. A lot of space in this home, and honestly, great views from this home. The lot is amazing. It doesn't feel like you're in flat Florida because it is actually hilly, and you're actually sitting atop a hill, so you have some great views from this home. just some of the intricate architectural work, design features of this home. I love that fireplace. Again, some of that loft area you're looking up to from the living room. And now we're looking at the kitchen. Kitchen had lots of upgrades, lots of cabinet space, lots of countertop space, an actual exhaust hood. So yeah, just very nice features to enjoy. And we're getting here to one of the highlights for me, which was the pool area. He actually asked the designer to come out with a pool with a little island in the middle, and then he's got enough powerful jets that actually it's like a little lazy river. It just takes you around the pool, and there's a sit-up, a seated like bar in the pool as well, which you'll see here in a minute. These are just closets in the bathrooms. Laundry room, garage.
The great view from this house. Almost don't feel like you're in Florida.
Really can't beat that view in Lakeland.
Out on the balcony now. And down on the pool.
A little bit, you can see the island.
Lakeland.
A little deck. There's that in door there.
It's that bedroom. Yeah. So you can actually go through. No, I went through the other side.
And this is out in the pool area. Nice outdoor kitchen, lots of seating. But really, for me, the highlight is this pool. And you can see the little inner tubes floating around, and that's just
It has a little
powered
swim
by
up
all the
bar
jets.
in the pool.
As you're looking at the pool on the right is where those little stools are, so you can basically sit at the bar, so to speak, in the pool, the poolside bar. Specially designed for this house by the pool company this builder works with. So if you're interested in this home, please reach out to me. It is going to be up for sale here shortly, and I'd love to help you purchase it. It's a great opportunity, a beautiful home, lots of neat features. Home stands out. It's not like anything else you'll see on the market. I hope you enjoyed this look at $2 million in Polk County.